Greetings. In this video, I want to show you how to reset any Ciena router, Wi-Fi router, or internet router. And this particular model is a XGS-PON-ONU by Ciena. So the only thing you have to do to reset it, there's two different models of the Ciena. The reset's usually going to be near where the plug-ins are. There'll either be a reset button or there'll be a little hole. So what you do to reset it is while everything's plugged in, you hold it down, the reset button, for a good 10 seconds, release, and that should reset it to make a fresh network. Or you get a paper clip or you get a safety pin and you put it in this little hole and you hold it in there for 10 seconds. So as you can see here, I got a paper clip. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and put it in the hole there. And what we're going to do is we're going to press down and we're going to hold that for a good 10 seconds. Release. And that should reset my network on the Ciena router. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.